Dear students, welcome to Sia's digital classes. Today's concept is splicing. So, splicing of index numbers, let us learn today. So, here it's a problem we have, check it out. So, here data is about some following table gives two series of index numbers with 2005, 2010 as base year. So, some 2 years they have given as base years for us. Obtain a continuous series of index numbers by considering 2010 as base year. So, base year they will mention for us, but check it out how the data goes on. So, years they have given from 2005 to 2014. But coming to the index numbers, what happened here? First one, check it out. First, up to 2010, 2005 to 2010 data we have. But the other 11 to 14 data is missing, right? So, whenever such type of data will come, means some data will be missing, beginning data or the ending data, such type of data we can't carry on further with any of the other formulas, or we can't utilize half of the data. So, we'll go for splicing. So, here is the clue that some of the data whenever missing, we have to go for splicing. So, that's what we call as splicing, combining two series to make a single series. So, check it out, the second column also index number with 2010 as base year. So, that one also check it out, first from 2005 to 2009 data is missing. So, such situations we have to go for splicing of index numbers. So, again we have in this two types of splicing, backward splicing and forward splicing. So, in this session let us learn about backward splicing. So, what is the formula we have here? Index backward splicing is equal to index A of current year divided by index A of common year into 100. So, this is the formula we have. Now, what is common year, what is current year, that all let us discuss in the table. So, whatever the given index number they want to shift, that is our common index number. Like check it out here, 2010 as a base year you have to consider, right? So, under 2010, check it out, some value we have 320. So, this 320 becomes a common base year because it connects the next series. Check it out, only this 2010 has got value in first index number where 2005 is a base year, as well as for the next index number where 2010 to 100 we have considered as base year. So, the connecting value for the first series and second series, whatever we have in the first series, that becomes our common base year. Okay, so that is your index A common year, because we are considering for from A. Okay, so common year we got now. Now current year means whatever we are dealing. So like right now I am dealing for 2005. So that becomes a current year. Next I am dealing 2006. That becomes a current year. Whatever right now we are dealing, that becomes a current year. So that this is the formula for us. Current year value you have to divide with common year, whichever connects the two series, that becomes a common year. So word itself says common. So common value upside down, so whatever you have, that becomes a common year value, that you have to divide into 100 we have to do. So let us check it out in the table now. So backward splicing, keep the heading. First two columns as it is given data, you consider first two columns, and then for backward splicing, keep the heading. Now let us go for formula. According to the formula, let us go for the substitution. So what we have considered as a common year, 320, right? So every time we have to divide by 320. Now numerator will be the current year, whatever year we are considering, that becomes numerator. So 2005 first one we have, so that is your 200. So 200 divided by the common year, that is 320 into 100. So you got some answer as 62.5. So like that you have to go on doing until the missing values are there. So next time whatever the values you have, 240 I have second value. So 240 divided by the common year, that is 320 into 100. I have got as 75. So in this way you have to go on doing all other values. So up to the last where it ends, that is up to 2010 320 we have, up to there we have to go on doing using this formula. So 320 by 320 into 100, that is current year is 320 itself and a common year also 320. So 320 by 320 into 100, that is 100 we got as an answer. So first series, whatever data we have, that all data you have to utilize and you have to go for the formula, get the answer. Then continuous next, whatever the second series values you have, simply copy that values here so that it completes our entire column. So what I have done, check it out. So next value 220, copy as it is, 240, copy as it is, 260 also as it is, 280 also as it is. So this what we call as backward splicing. So second column values will carry on as it is. First values where second column, only second column we are considering. So first values are missing. So we are using the formula for the missing values. Up to here we have to use the formula. Then leftover values you have to carry on as it is. So complete like 2005 to 2014 entire series we have obtained now. So no missing values here. So happily we can utilize all the values. It's a generalized data now. No missing values. Everything from 2005 to 2014 all the data we have obtained. So this is how we'll do the backward splicing, means mixing the data, getting the entire series. So this is how backward splicing will be doing. Hope you have understood this backward splicing. See you all in the next session. Thank you.